Hey everyone, today we'll be focusing on calculus today, and today we'll be focusing on this problem, and without any further hesitation, let's get started. Hey everyone, so I just want to give a quick overview for the list of common functions you would see throughout the rest of the course that we will be going in depth on, as well as their following domains and ranges simultaneously. So I made the following acronym that we would have for all the common functions that we would see. So we have linear, which is f of x is equal to ax plus b, quadratic, which in of itself is ax squared plus bx plus c, then polynomial, simultaneously rational, where p and q are polynomials, exponential, where we have f of x equal to a of x, logarithmic, accordingly, and trigonometric as well. Again, this video is just for an overview and for brief insight for our following calculus course simultaneously. We have our domain and ranges being negative infinity to positive infinity, our quadratic being negative infinity to positive infinity, with our range being 0, as we have seen at the hard stop, with positive infinity. And we know that each of these are a function because there is a technique called the vertical line test that actually determines whether or not something is a function. If there is symmetry, and if the line passes only through the function once, then we consider it a function. It is legitimate. Then we have polynomial, but in the context it's cubic because the slope is going up just in multiple formats, since slope in general is rise over run. And then we also have rational, as we have already discussed within our various problems. There's also the vertical asymmetrical line that is also in union simultaneously for both the domain and the range. Then we also have exponential, where the domain is negative infinity to positive infinity as it's going from left to right, and the range is 0 all the way up to positive infinity. Then we have logarithmic, which is sort of like the square root formulas that we have already been seeing simultaneously, but in this case they are formatted in such a fashion where they are just going in this various direction. Then we also have sine, cosine, and tangent simultaneously for each of them, and there will be a separate slides series lecture just to give a brief overview for what we'll be going further in depth on. And so yes, just wanted to make this just to be able to showcase to you folks while we're going through our calculus course. So thank you. Hey everyone, thank you very much for taking time to watch this. If you found this video helpful, be sure to feel free to please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions as well, please put them in the comment section. And as always, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.